G'day guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to just make a really quick and easy structural truss in 3DsMax. So what we want to do first is just make a square. We'll make it just 0.5 by 0.5. And just ensure you have some snaps on so you can grab these lines, and we then go to line, and we want to just select these corners halfway, and yes, we want to close the spline. Then we can delete this original shape. So this is what our truss profile is going to look like. So then in a top view, what we want to be doing is creating another line. Let's do this, that. Right. Actually, let's just make it a basic corner. Right, just like this. So now this is the route that we're wanting this to go along. But first we want to just go to modifier, go normalize spline. We then want to increase our segments and just go to linear segments. And let's just increase it until we have a little 45 there in the corner. Now what we want to do is we want to be doing the sweep modifier. Now this will automatically apply an angle. You can do a bar, channel, cylinder, all these different things, even a wide flange to represent I-beams if you wanted to. But we are going to use the custom section, and we're going to pick and we're going to grab the triangle. If I look in 3D, this is kind of what it's looking like. So now we want to add a modifier of a lattice. You can now start to see how this is starting to look like a truss system. What we'll do is we'll just get rid of the joints. We'll just have straight like this, maybe increase the radius a little. Now what we now want to do is just, let's say we don't like how many segments are in this. We press sweep and just increase the segment density, decrease the segment density. We can then also go back to line. Now this goes back to here, but if we want to be able to see the spline, we just click the show end result. And if we click the vertex, we can actually grab these endpoints and move them around. So you can see you can move them anywhere and everywhere. We can then actually also scroll down and go attach. So create line. And we can do this just here. And this will create the exact same line, the exact same parameters. We can even look at creating some bends. And yeah, this is kind of a really quick and simple way to visualize a truss system, and easily go back and edit it, add to it, and so forth. So thanks.